Try half throttle. Let's see how much pull it has. Yeah, it'll probably fly on half throttle.
Yeah, so I'll just do like 75% when I take off. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it. Oh yeah!
Heck yeah, it flew.
It's in the air, it's turning, it's great.
I think 72. Wow, that thing's flying good.
It's flying great.
Nice.
All right, I kind of want to do a roll. I'm gonna gain some altitude. I just want to, you know, do one flight, you know? Oh, I'm at like 75, 60. Just gonna gain a little bit more altitude and try and do a roll here. All right, here we go. Oh, let me try roll to the other side. Yeah, that worked. That worked. All right, you just gotta bring it down. I'm not gonna try. Last time I did a loop, I lost it. Yeah, that glide slope is great. Yeah. Who's Jacob? Yeah, Jacob can. Boom! What a plane!